Welcome one and all to Waves. This is where we bring you the updates that's making waves in the maritime sector. Brodersplit Shipyard has recently delivered the twin-engine product tanker Stena Polaris to Swedish company Concordia Maritime. Hull 463 is a P-MAX tanker, Class 1A, for carrying oil and oil products through ice seas. This is the 8th ship of this type delivered to the Swedish owner, with 3 more deliveries for Concordia Maritime planned by the end of 2010. 3 of the P-MAX tankers have been delivered to Brodersplit so far: Stena Polaris, Stena Performance and Stena Progress. Overseas Shipbuilding Group reported results for the 4th quarter of fiscal year December 31st, 2009. For the fiscal year ended December 31st, 2009, the company reported time charter equivalent revenues of $952.6 million, a 38% increase from $1.5 billion in 2008. STX Offshore and Shipbuilding traces its origins to Daedong Shipbuilding, with its first site opened in Busan in 1962. This was later expanded to the site at Jinhae, some 400 kilometers south of east of Seoul. The large dry dock of Jinhae was completed in 1996. In 2001, STX Shipbuilding merged Daedong Shipbuilding. In 2008, the name was modified to STX Offshore and Shipbuilding in recognition for the growth importance of the offshore industry, for which Busan and Dalian yards have been building vessels. The progress and expansion has continued to include STX yards at Dalian and in Europe, where they operate 18 shipyards in 8 countries, but the company has kept a focus on innovation and modernization. Well, that is all the maritime news making waves as of now. Do come back for later. Till then, it's Jude signing off from the studios.